Today we're making the easiest recipe ever. Today we're making 3-ingredient brownies. All you need is Nutella, eggs, and flour. Add 1 1/4 cups of Nutella to a bowl. But I want to eat it now. Crack in 2 eggs. Add 1/2 cup of flour. Mix it all together. Boom. And that's the easiest brownie batter you'll ever make. Pour into a pan. Bake at 350 for 20 minutes. Slice them. And those are the easiest brownies you'll ever make. Yum. These are so good.
It's over, isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it over? It's over, isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it over? You won, and she chose you, and she loved you, and she's gone. It's over, isn't it? Why can't I move on?